E-com Squeezed. Quick tips from Retail-Outsource. I'm Aaron, and let's see how to create automatic PPC or pay-per-click campaigns. So first, go to your Seller Central and click on Advertising. From the drop-down, you can choose Campaign Manager, and it takes you to the dashboard for the campaigns. From the dashboard, scroll down to select Create Campaign here in yellow, and it takes you to a page where you can choose the type of ad to be done. You can choose sponsored products to target your products or sponsored brand to target your brand. So here I'm choosing sponsored products. So click Continue, and it takes you to the Create Campaign page where you can add the details. So first, set a name for your campaign. And you can set the start date and the end date. If you're planning to run your campaign for a certain period of time, then set a daily budget for the campaign. Well, the next one is targeting. So here you can choose the type of targeting you need for your product. It's either automatic or manual targeting. Here you can choose automatic targeting. The next is campaign bidding strategy. There are three types of strategies: dynamic bids down only, dynamic bids up and down, and fixed bids. I'm choosing dynamic bids down only. Once it's done, you need to create an ad group. Give a name for the ad group. Now it's time to choose your products. So it can either be searched on the list by the product name, or entered through a list, or uploaded as a CSV file. Here I'm searching the product name. So once I click in my product name, the list pops in. Add the products and the variations. And to add the variations, click on Add Variations, and it gets added onto it. And then you can click on Add to add the listing. Once the products are added to the list, you need to move on to the targeting. Then you can choose your bid type. Here, I'm setting it as a default bid. And below that, you can set your negative keywords here, if you choose to. If not, the campaign is ready to be launched. Once launched, it will say it's successfully launched right about here. Then you could go to your campaign manager to check and scroll down, and you can see the campaign is now showing as delivering on the dashboard, which means you've successfully created your automatic PPC for Amazon. Thanks for watching, and if you have further comments or any questions, please comment on the video. If you're selling on eBay or Amazon, you could book a 30-minute free consultation from the link on the description.